Hello and welcome to another Facts and Dimensions Spotlight Dataset. This one we're doing written complaints in the NHS. Data recorded in the KO41A and KO41B collections. We've got data going back to March 2011. There is 8.5 million rows of data, so a lot of detail. These are the tables. You can see there's 3 fact tables and 2 dimension tables. So I've queried all of them for the demo. The PHSO NHS organisations. So you've got the data there, the measure values, and you can see all the measures there. So pause the video to have a look at that. Written complaints in the NHS. Similar sort of data by organisation and period and the values. And I'll just scroll down these metrics so you can see all the sorts of metrics there are. And you could just pause the video at any one of these if you want to have a proper read. Then we've got written complaints in NHS GP Dental. And here's the metrics. I'll page down it again. And then you've got these dimension tables to give you more detail to use in conjunction with those fact tables. So that's the GP Dental one. And this is the written complaints in NHS metadata one. There's quite a lot of pages there, so I'll stop there. If you want to see it all, please ask for a free demo and we'll give you one and you can have a play. Thanks.